Hello, everybody. Welton Hong over here. If you ever uploaded a photo to your Google Business profile, it got flagged as not approved, you're not alone. And even when the photos follow all Google's official rules, it can still get rejected. So let's talk about what's really going on and how we can fix it. First, know that image quality matters more than ever. Google's really is leaning heavily into visual content. So if photo is a little blurry, has too much text, or look overly filtered, right? It might not make the cut. Here are some of the most common reasons photos get rejected. Um, for example, your photo has too much text. Keep text under 10% of the image. You use the same image across multiple locations. Google wants unique content per profile. The image was uploaded from a brand new or recently reinstated profile. Google may sandbox your profile right for a while. Okay. Um, so it might be again, nobody knows, right? They might sandbox your profile for a couple of weeks before accepting uploads. The image was altered too much, right? Again, I kind of mentioned this filters, heavily edited, or even auto corrections can confuse Google's review system. Next, of course, right? You're using AI generated images. Google wants real photos that reflect reality. Or your file size or format is off, stick with JPG or PNG and keep the resolution above 720 by 720. You upload too many photos at once that could trigger spam filters. Also, keep in mind there's no issues where Google flags photos um, as rejected, but actually approves them within 24 to 48 hours. So sometimes it's not you, it just glitches. Okay. So if you're confident your image is clean, meets the guideline, and still gets rejected after a couple of days, reach out to Google's support using their contact form. And remember, your photos tells a story. They show potential customers what your business looks like, what you do, what you offer, or for some of you, right, why worth visiting. That's why, again, high quality visuals get more clicks, get more trust. So really take the time to get them right. Need help managing your Google Business profile? We handle the stuff every day. Reach out and let us help you right with your rankings. Talk to you later.